Hello everyone, my name is Chu Cheng Guan, matrix number 278154. Now, I would like to present about the company's breakdown. So, we are excluding the UM Press as our company to analysis the process of revenue cycle system. So, for information, UM Press is established in bureaus since 1984 under the Department of Liability. UN Press uh, was mainly in publication of education works and also creative work. UN Press has set up its marketplace through various e-commerce platforms, for example, like Lazada, Shopee, and also Group. UN Press also having a partnership with the local and international publisher ways to improve the quality of the work. Now, I would like to present about the context diagram of the sales order. First, the company will receive the order detail from the customer and process and the sales order process system. After the process of the sales order, the the invoice data will be sent to the customer to get the confirmation. That's all for me. I pass to the next presenter.
Hi and good day, Doctor. I'm Anjali Rajamohan with metri number 285428. Would like to continue the presentation by explaining the physical data flow diagram of sales order. First and foremost, the process begins when a customer places an order. This order is represented in the diagram as an customer order. The order is received by a clerk represented as 1.0 in the diagram. The clerk's role is to process the customer's order into an invoice file, which represented as invoice file in the diagram. Next, simultaneously, a computer represented as 2.0 in the diagram takes the customer's order information and stores it in a customer file. This is a database that keeps track of all customers' order. Next, the computer also updates an inventory file, which the file keeps track of the store's inventory and is updated based on the items ordered by the customers. Next, the customer create customer order detail, which are then stores in the sales file and keeps track of all sales transactions. Next, the sales and marketing department represent 3.0 in the diagram creates an invoice from the customer order. This invoice is a document that outlines the customer order and the total cost. Finally, the invoice is sent to the customers completing the order process. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Anisa Hamizah binti Mat Nuruddin, matric numbers 285318. I will explain about logical data flow diagram, which illustrate the core process of UUM Press from receiving orders to delivering orders. It all starts with the customer placing an order. The system will capture the details like items, quantity, and delivery address. Based on the order, the system automatically generates an invoice with price, tax, and any applicable discounts. This invoice is sent to the customer for the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, the system will send a signal to the warehouse. Warehouse personnel identify the order item and carefully pick them from the shelves. As the chosen items are picked, the system immediately updates its internal inventory records to reflect the new stock levels. This ensures accurate tracking and avoid overselling. The picked items are packed securely and shipped to the customer's designated address through a chosen carrier. Throughout the process, information flows seamlessly between different parts of the system, ensuring smooth order fulfillment and timely delivery. That's all about logical data flow diagram by UM Press. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hania Mutakih binti Ahmad Zulkarnain. My membership number is 280297. I will continue with the flow chart. For sales order system flow chart, the system start from sales department where the customer will make order and department will receive customer orders details and prepare invoice. There will be two invoices. One will be saved into file and another one will be as a character. After that, the customer order details will be keyed in into the billing system where clerk will update files, which is customer order files, sales files, accounts receivable files, and inventory files. At the warehouse, the manager will check inventory and invoice number two, which is the connector, will be passed to warehouse manager. And after checking inventory and invoice, the goods will be shipped to the customer.
Hello everyone. Now I would like to present about the context diagram of the cash receipt. First, the company will receive the payment detail from the customer and proceed to the cash receipt system. The payment detail usually contain the payment from the customer through the online payment platform. For example, Touch and Go wallet and also online banking. After the process of the payment detail in the cash receipt system, the company will send the cash receipt detail to the customer. And also, the cash receipt system will post the payment detail to the UM accounting department as to record the receipt of the cash from the customer. That's all from me. I pass to the next presenter.
Next is about the cash receipt physical data flow diagram. The process begins when a customer provides payment, and this is represented in the diagram as payment details. Payment details are received by a clerk, represented as 1.0 in the diagram. The clerk role is to process the details and create a cash receipt. Next, this cash receipt is then stored in an invoice file and also sent to a computer for further processing. The computer represented as 2.0 in the diagram processes this receipt to update the cash book. The book keeps track of all the cash transaction in the business. Besides that, there is another part where the cash receipt goes directly into a cash receipt file. This file keeps a record of all cash receipts. And sales and marketing department manager review this file as a part of the step labeled 3.0. Last, after approval from the manager, it becomes an official payment that is recorded by the accounting department.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Anisa Hamizah binti Mat Nuruddin. Magic numbers 285318. I will explain about logical data flow diagram, which illustrate the core process of Press from receiving orders to delivering orders. It all starts with the customer placing an order. The system will capture the details like items, quantity, and delivery address. Based on the order, the system automatically generates an invoice with price, tax, and any applicable discounts. This invoice is sent to the customer for the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, the system will send a signal to the warehouse. Warehouse personnel identify the order item and carefully pick them from the shelves. As the chosen items are picked, the system immediately updates its internal inventory records to reflect the new stock levels. This ensures accurate tracking and avoid overselling. The picked items are packed securely and shipped to the customer's designated address through a chosen carrier. Throughout the process, information flows seamlessly between different parts of the system, ensuring smooth order fulfillment and timely delivery. That's all about logical data flow diagram by Press. Thank you.
For the last flowchart, which is a cash receipt cycle. The flowchart starts with customer making payment and the cash receipt will be signed by authorized person, which is manager. There will be two cash receipts, which is one will be saved as connected and one will be given to the customer. Then the cash receipt will be processed and will be saved in database of cash receipt journal. Also, the cash receipt be processed into two deposit slips, which is be saved into files and sent to the bank. General voucher from cash receipt process sent to accounting department for updating the general ledger. The connected signed cash receipt will be used for general voucher. All will be saved into general ledger database and account inventory. And for account inventory, it will be saved into file. That's all for me.